All right, gentlemen, James here. Been a minute. Still plugging away at that timber frame, sawmill shed. Managed to mill some lumber today. Right now I'm focused on 2x6s. So I've got one up there on the deck. Got some scrap there. Let me turn this around here. That's the scrap I acquired from milling said 2x6s. That's what I ended up with. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 5 2x6s. Pine. I'm not for sure what kind of pine it is. It's red pine or white pine. I don't know. Let's go out here and see the shed. I managed to burn some brackets out with a plasma table. So that went pretty good. We're getting there. It's just taking me forever. I wish I could get better at filming everything or recording my progress. So I got some more braces to put up there, but the ridge beam is up. Those totes in there, that's my scaffolding. We'll walk in there and I'll show you. So I got a deck up there on top of them totes. That works pretty good. I'm glad I took the time to do that. So that way I'm able to walk, you know, from one end to the other, which is cool. So I don't know if you can see very good. There's my metal brackets up there that I burned out on the plasma table. So yeah, we're getting there. So right now I'm milling, like I said, 2x6s for the rafters. I believe that's what I'm gonna use. I'll go over here and I'll show you my stock. That's all junk. That's firewood pile over there. More firewood. So right here, this is what I'm milling for rafters right now. It's all pine. I want to use pine because it's lighter. And I got some oak over there. I got a few pieces of walnut back here. So I got a piece of walnut, ash, maple, and that very end piece of poplar. So yeah, here's all my pine. We're getting there. Yeah, and I got some right here too. So mostly softwood, hardwood. All right. Yeah, so nothing exciting. Turn this around here, I'll give you a little pro tip for the day. It was 90 out here today, it's hot. So, a little pro tip. I just like these white Hanes disposable t-shirts. You know, wear them a few times and I can use them for a rag, whatever. Then I cut the sleeves off them and I stretch the sleeve out and I can use that as a sweatband here. Works pretty good. I mean, you gotta stretch it out, but it does the job. My dad always wore a sweatband, you know, or a bandana or something, construction work. And I sweat like a pig. Well, Why do people say that pigs don't sweat? Yeah, so I sweat a lot. This helps. Keeps the sweat out of my eyes. And dual purpose t-shirt, sweatband. Awesome. All right, man. Remember, cut size, hammer to fit, paint to match. Talk to you later.